CZ SP-01 Phantom. Hey there friends, thanks for checking in at the range now. We've got the CZ SP-01 Phantom. I am a huge fan of the SP-01. I think that is an outstanding gun. It's essentially the same thing. There are a couple differences here. The main difference is the polymer frame. Now the SP-01 original, I should say, I'm not sure, it's all steel frame. It's a bit heavier and it is an awesome shooter. This is the same gun in a polymer frame, and this one here has the decocker. So right here, just push down on that decocks the hammer into quarter position. Many people were asking the differences with the hammer position. Well, here we have an unloaded firearm, all right, and then here we have the full double action. All right, here's the quarter cock right there. So now instead of the full pull, you have about 3/4 of a pull, and of course the single action is right there. The follow-up shots are really nice. This has a 4.6-inch barrel, holds 18 rounds in the magazine, and you can get this gun for right around $570. It is a sweet shooting gun. 3-dot sights that are luminescent, and it has a full 1913 rail straight across. The trigger is incredible. The grip is really nice. You can see it has some nice texturing there. It just feels just like the SP-01, but this has the polymer frame, and I just think it's pretty outstanding. Let me load it up. We'll take a few more shots and get a better feel for this CZ SP-01 Phantom. Here we are once again, 12 yards away. We've got the SP-01 Phantom made by CZ. Big fan of this. And one thing that I didn't mention is that this slide works on my SP-01 with the all metal frame. I switched them out and both functioned no problem. 18 round mags, and it's not too hard to load them up either. They're not thumb breakers like some other ones of this type of capacity. What I'm going to do is shoot the first couple in quarter cock and see if it affects my accuracy. The reason I'm doing that is because this would be the position, the hammer position, that one would carry the gun, or should I say trigger position. You know, you got just a little bit less of a pull in this position. Let's see how it goes. Once again, 12 yards. I put my other target up. It'll probably drop. It's soft mud here. I forgot I was supposed to put it in quarter cock. Using that decocker every time. 7-inch target. That one got away from me and I still was able to hit my target. Very soft shooting single action. This is nice. Let's go with that 7-inch target. All right. I love this gun. You know, big fan of the SP-01. Already mentioned it. I have that gun. This gun is the exact same thing in a little bit of a lighter frame, and it does have the decocker that I was able to shoot, you know, pretty accurate using the decocker. I expected that would be the case. I just wanted to check it out anyways, but I really do like it. You know, I already mentioned 3-dot sights. These glow, and they're basically glow in the dark sights, okay? So once charged by light, it'll keep a hold, you know, like almost like a night sight kind of illumination for about a half hour. So not night sights, but kind of cool. Definitely kind of cool. Breaks down everything the same, right around 570 bucks will get you this, and I think it's an awesome gun. I really do. And big fan of CZs. I've got several, and this one's gonna stay with me for quite a while. If you like videos like this, please subscribe and share. I always appreciate the thumbs up button. Thanks for watching, and you guys be safe.